In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a QR code in Canva. We'll start right inside your Canva project. Open the design where you want the QR code to live, or create a fresh canvas just for it. Since QR codes are perfectly square, set your design dimensions to equal width and height, so everything lines up cleanly. For example, try something like 1080 by 1080 pixels if you're designing for social, or choose a square size that matches your layout. Keeping the canvas square helps the code fit smoothly without awkward stretching or cropping. Before generating the code, think about your layout. Leave a clear space where the QR code will sit so it isn't cramped by text or graphics. High contrast is key. A dark QR code on a light background scans best. Avoid busy patterns behind the code, and don't place it right on the edge. Give it a bit of breathing room so cameras can read it easily. Now, go to the top of Canva and click Share. In the panel that opens, select See All. Under the Share categories, look for the option labeled QR Code and click it. This opens a simple field where you'll paste the link you want people to visit. Type or paste the full URL and take a second to double-check spelling and that it includes the secure prefix, like HTTPS. Linking to a mobile-friendly page is a smart idea since most people will scan with their phones. Once the URL looks good, click Generate Code. Canva will create the QR and place it into your design. You can move it, resize it, and align it with the rest of your layout. Keep it a perfect square. Don't stretch it, and avoid rotating or skewing. For on-screen graphics, a minimum of around 250 to 300 pixels on the shortest side is usually fine. For print, go larger so it's easy to scan at arm's length. When you're happy with placement, click Download. Choose the format that suits your use. PNG is great for most digital needs. JPG works for simple images, and PDF is helpful for print. If you plan to scale the design a lot in print, an option like SVG may keep edges crisp, if available. Use a high resolution so the small squares remain sharp. After downloading, do a quick scan test with your phone to confirm it opens the right page and loads quickly. That's all there is to it. You've designed a clean, scannable QR code in Canva, ready to share on screens, flyers, or wherever your audience will see it.